What's up guys, Lucas here, and in this video I want to talk about the best VPNs to use with your Xbox One. Now when it comes to improving your Xbox One gaming experience, you might not automatically think of using a VPN. However, with security risks on the rise and more content being restricted by region, gamers have started to use VPNs to help with issues like latency, geo-blocked games, and cyber attacks by other gamers. So I want to show you why you want to use a VPN for gaming, how to set it up, and which VPNs I would recommend. Alright, so let's start by asking, why do you need a VPN for Xbox One in the first place? Well, one of the main reasons gamers use VPNs is to access games or content that isn't available in their location. Whether this is due to a difference in release dates by location or otherwise, games are often made available to some users before others. But using a VPN will mask your IP address, rerouting your traffic through a server in a different location and making it appear as if you are in that location instead. Now, if you choose a server in the correct country for the game that you want to play, a VPN will give you access to any content that is geo-restricted to that area. And the same actually applies if you want to use your Xbox One to stream your favorite shows. Streaming on Xbox One with a VPN will allow you to watch content that might not be available in your country due to regional restrictions on sites like Netflix, Hulu, and even Amazon Prime. And more importantly, if you're a fan of online gaming, you also need to take your own safety into account. Guys, playing on Xbox Live can open you up to multiple cybersecurity threats from other gamers. In fact, when you are connected to Xbox Live, other users are able to use your IP address. This leaves you vulnerable to DOS and DDoS attacks from other users looking to retaliate or gain an advantage in a game. And more sophisticated hackers can even use your information to identify your real location, leading to even more serious attacks like swatting. So using a VPN with Xbox One helps keep you safe so that sneaky users will not be able to discover your real location or your IP address. And there's actually no need to worry about a VPN affecting the speed of your connection either. In fact, the best VPNs have dedicated gaming and streaming servers based on location. Now this helps improve your speeds and reduce latency, giving you smoother and less frustrating gaming experiences. Also, a VPN will hide your activity from your internet service provider, preventing your ISP from throttling your bandwidth and slowing you down. Now, depending on how you want to connect to a VPN and what you want to use it for, there are a number of key features to look out for when it comes to making your selection. So as a whole, you'll want to consider if a VPN offers things like P2P compatibility, unlimited bandwidth, fast speed, servers that'll work for gaming or streaming, minimal if any latency, support for using multiple connections at the same time, and router compatibility. So what VPN should you use that gives you all three of these things? Okay, while dedicated Xbox One VPN apps don't really exist, I did test more than 30 of the most popular VPNs on the market to find the best ones to use for gaming. And right out of the gate, my top recommendation is ExpressVPN because of their Xbox One compatible media streamer app. Now, Media Streamer is a specialized app that allows you to stream content in any region without encrypting your data. Taking out the encryption step reduces any lag in connection, offering some of the fastest streaming speeds available. And if security is more of a concern, ExpressVPN is an excellent choice. Express is router compatible with a huge network of 3,000 servers in 90 countries. It also provides a safe, stable, and lightning fast connection for gaming. In fact, it is the fastest VPN I have tested, which is a must-have for online gaming. If you want to know more, you'll find a link to my full review of ExpressVPN in the video description below, along with a discount link to help you save some money. And then my second recommendation is NordVPN. So Nord is based in Panama, and it's a solid choice for a VPN to use with Xbox. It has a lot to offer if you want to enhance your gaming and safety measures. And with military-grade encryption, AES-256, leak protection, and secure tunneling protocols, you will be safe from all kinds of cyber threats. Nord has many uses outside of safety too. With over 5,100 servers in more than 60 countries, it really is one of the fastest VPNs for Xbox that I've ever seen. Also, NordVPN is a great choice for your media center as well, since it does unblock Netflix, Hulu, Sling TV, and other popular streaming services. And you can actually easily set up NordVPN on your Xbox via a router or just use the SmartPlay DNS configuration. Okay, now for my final recommendation. Surfshark is my favorite budget-friendly VPN for Xbox One. So Surfshark is a good choice for console gamers, so it really goes without saying that it's one of the best VPNs for Xbox One. Although their server fleet is moderate, they scored really well in my latency test, and its speeds in general, which were really good. And it's not only the speeds that are pretty solid with Surfshark, but the service uses military-grade encryption and inbuilt measures against all kinds of DNS leaks. With Surfshark as a VPN for Xbox, you can disguise your connection with camouflage and no border modes to bypass censorship measures that might be in place in your country. Surfshark also gets extra points from me for its cost effectiveness. And once you purchase Surfshark, you get unlimited connections with a single subscription. This alone makes it a good investment when you consider that you can safeguard all your household devices. Alright, so those are my top 3 VPN picks for Xbox One. But before I end this video, I would like to take the opportunity to answer some of the most frequently asked questions that I get about this topic. First, what is the best VPN for Xbox One? Well, the best VPN for Xbox One is honestly whatever suits your situation best. The VPNs that I mentioned in the video are simply recommendations of what to get, and it's up to you to match your needs to the right VPN for you. For example, if you just want to use the fastest VPN possible, then you might want to go with ExpressVPN. If you want something a bit more affordable that you can use on as many devices as you want, then I would probably recommend Surfshark as your best bet. Next question is, can you use a free VPN on Xbox One? Technically, yes, there are free VPNs out there, but I would not recommend them. Free VPNs are slow and do not provide the level of protection that a premium VPN does. To be honest, there's actually little incentive for them to protect you, since most, if not all free VPNs, only want to obtain your personal data so that they can sell it to third parties because that's how they make their money. And the last question is, can you get banned for using a VPN on Xbox? Actually, VPNs are technically allowed if you're using them for general security against DDoS attacks. However, you may get banned if you're using a VPN to get around geographical restrictions. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If so, please feel free to give a thumbs up, as that just always makes my day. Just a reminder, if you guys are interested in any of the VPNs I mentioned in the video, be sure to check out the special discount links I'll put for you in the description area below, so that way you can save some money. Also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the Cyber family. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll look for you in the next one.